first grade friends. It's Mrs. Hannah again. I am ready to teach you our phonological awareness lesson today. That's that big word, and all you have to know is phonological awareness means the awareness of sounds and the sounds in words. Okay, so last week I introduced you to the game called Guess My Word. We're going to do that game again today. Before we do our game, though, I want to remind you of something. Okay, we all know that the words that we say, they make sounds. Working with the sounds and words can help you become a better reader and a better writer. Words can be broken into chunks to hear the sounds. We did this last week. What we're going to do today is we're going to listen for the beginning sound and then the rest of the word. You're going to be able to guess my word if you listen really closely. You see my little person down there? She's saying, "What did you say?" So you're going to listen for my sound and you're going to put my sounds together to guess my word. All right, let me go to my next page. Okay, I'm going to say a word in two chunks. The beginning and the rest of the word. I want you to help me say the word. I'm going to do the first one, and it's not one of these pictures. So watch me up here. I'm looking at my notes as well. Okay, so here it is. K-ard. K-ard. What's my word? K-ard. K-ard. Card. Did you say card? I hope you did. Card. I heard the beginning sound and then I heard the rest of the word. And I guessed correctly, I made a smart guess, that my word was card. Okay? So now you try it. It's not one of these cards right here. It's not one of these pictures. Listen. And. Man. Awesome! I hope that you got man. Okay, we're going to keep going. As you blend the word chunks to say, I want to see if one of our words will match our pictures that we have here on the screen. Not all of the words that I say are going to have a picture card to match, so you have to listen closely. If I say one of these pictures, you're going to point to the screen and give it a thumbs up if we're saying the word that's on the screen. So we're going to do a lot of words, but only you're going to hear 3 of them with the pictures. Okay, so here we go. Let me see if I can find my first word. Oh, I found it. Guess my word. P-N. P-N. What's my word? Are you pointing to the picture of the pen? You said the word pen. Awesome job. I had a picture of it too. Listen to this one. Op. Op. What's my word? Are you screaming the word mop at me right now? Mop is my word. Mop. Mop. Is there a picture of the word mop? There's not a picture of that one. You shouldn't be pointing to the screen. Try this one. T-ape. T-ape. What's my word? Is my word tape? T-ape. T-ape. Tape. Do you see a picture of tape? I don't either. You shouldn't be looking at or pointing to my screen. Down here at these pictures. Nope. What about this one? K-ite. K-ite. Guess my word. Are you pointing to the picture of a kite and giving it a thumbs up? Great job. Way to go, first grader. Listen to this one. S-ad. S-ad. What's my word? Sad. My word is sad. There's not a picture of sad on my page. Try this one. N-O's. N-O's. Guess my word. Nose. N-O's. N-O's. Nose. I hope you said the word nose, but there's not a picture of a nose on my screen. Try this one. Guess this word. B-at. B-at. Are you pointing to the bat with a thumbs up? Excellent job, bat. You are becoming better listeners for these words. You're going to be able to write these words beautifully. Okay, great job. Now we're going to play karate chop word. I don't think we've done this one before. Here is what we're going to do. When we break words apart, we can also chop them up to hear all the sounds. Then we can blend or smooth the sounds back together to hear the whole word. Okay, when I karate chop, I like to put my arm out and I like to chop all the sounds that I hear as I'm saying the word, and then I smooth it over to make the whole word. So you're going to listen for all the sounds in the word, and I'm going to karate chop the sounds, and I want you to smooth the sound back together. Okay? And then I'll let you karate chop too, because karate chopping is really fun, let's be honest. Okay. So I have some more pictures, and I'm going to say a lot of words, and just like the game before, if I say a word that's on here on the screen, then you're going to point to it and give a thumbs up saying that you saw that word on our screen. Okay? The first word is not on here. It's just a practice round. Okay? So I'm going to listen, or I want you to listen to me karate chopping this word. Ready? I'm going to put my arm out. In. I chopped up the word in. In. Okay? And I blended it back together. Okay, let's see if you can do the next one. Okay, I'm going to karate chop this word. Okay, here we go. E-O. E-O. Eel. Did you chop it? Or did you, sorry, not chop it. Did you smooth it back together? Eel. Do you see the picture of the eel on the screen? That's an eel. Kind of looks like a snake, doesn't it? It's a water snake, but it's called an eel. Okay? Try this one. Blend it back together. Smooth it down. On. I sit on the chair. Good. I don't see a picture for that one. Try this one out. Listen. I'm going to karate chop. B-E-O. B-E-O. Smooth it back together. Bell. You're pointing to it and giving a thumbs up to the bell on the screen. Good job, bell. Okay, let's karate chop this one. I'm going to karate chop and you're going to smooth. Ready? Fun. You should have smoothed the word fun. Do you see a picture of fun on our screen? Nope. But you did a good job smoothing. Let's try this one. Egg. Egg. What's my word? Did you smooth it out? Egg. 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 No pictures of eggs, but you did a good job smoothing. Okay, let's try this one. I'm going to tell you the word this time, and I want you to karate chop. Here we go. Are you ready? The word is fill. Like I fill my bucket with water. Get your arm ready and karate chop the word fill. I-O. Fill. Good job. Excellent job. Okay, I'm going to give away the last one. It's the word gate. It's right there on our screen. I want you to karate chop and then smooth it out. Here we go. Here's gate. G-A-T. Gate. You said the word gate. You karate chopped it up and then you blended or smoothed it back together. Listening for sounds and words is very important as readers and writers. Way to go on your lesson today. Awesome. I will see you next time. Bye, friends.